चार लेयर
एक वीडियो सर स्टॉप हो गया 26 सेकंड के बाद।
First in the correction, first we will apply the leg part of this plaster, followed by we will extend. Once the leg condition gets settled, we will extend our POP above the knee. Now we have applied the leg casting and hold few minutes till it gets settled. We are nicely molding the retrocalcaneum part. The medial border should be straight, and first of all, the leg should be First of all, the POP should be inverted so that the toes does not get pinches. Now we have to straight the medial border as much as possible. I think it has well settled, and after that we will extend our POP above the knee level. So before the extension of the POP above the knee level, I better apply a small slab in front of the knee so that it does not get breakage. Whenever the tendency of the child is to extend the knee like that, we usually extend the knee so that on extension of the knee, the POP slab should not get broken. Now get a small POP slab.
हो गया।
Start के. So start. Now we have applied the trans knee slab first, followed by we will apply the above knee portion. It should start from distal to proximal. Distal marking देख लो, distal इधर से start करके धीरे धीरे proximal जाना. इधर marking देख लेना, so that the extension should be adequate, and the extension of the cotton should be always more than the extension of the POP. And during the procedure, the knee should be always be flexed for proper settling of the POP. बस काफी है, धीरे धीरे हाँ. And during the entire procedure, the proper molding is of paramount importance for better outcome. बस ठीक है, अब close कर दीजिए, off कर दीजिए. ठीक है. So viewers, this is how the ultimately the Ponseti casting looks like. It should be neither too bulky, not too thin. It should provide adequate strength to resist the deforming forces and maintaining the foot in the corrected posture. So viewers, this was a comprehensive demonstration of how to apply the Ponseti casting for correction of the club foot in a child. It is a very common condition in the childhood, and it should be ideally noticed as early as possible by the parents as well as the doctor, and if treated early by proper serial Ponseti casting and the tender Achilles tenotomy later, it is completely curable at the age of 5 years. But the most common cause of the recurrence of this deformity or persistence of the deformity is non-adherence to the foot abduction brace that is usually prescribed after the full correction of the deformity. Thank you viewers. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share. Thank you.